We are going to start the continuation of tutorial 5. The 8th command is mesh property. See the I draw one square, circle and ellipse. This is the red. If you want to match this ellipse same as per this color, just press MA, enter, select the source object and select the destination object. Okay. One more time, MA, press MA, enter, select the source object, select the destination object. Okay. And the 9th is line type. For line type, just press LT, enter, and if you see, I will delete all these lines. Okay. Now load the another new lines. See, there are continuous lines by block, by layer. It's continuous. This continuous line. If you want another line, for example, dash, so load it from here. There are so many lines. Line type is here. Select this, press it, load, hit OK. Okay, for example, if you want to load another line, it's already loaded before, so it's not loading. If you want to take another one, just take it. It's also loaded. Take another one, for example, this one. Is it OK? Click it here, OK. Take line. See, scale is you need to increase the scale. So the another next command is line type scale. Just press it, LTS, make it 100. LTS 1000. LTS. Just select this line, go to the property, change it from here. Select this line, go to this property and change the line type. See, line type. If you want to decrease the scale, just press LTS, make it 50, enter. See, it's decreasing the scale. If you want to increase the scale, LTS 100. See, again LTS, make it 300. If you want to repeat the command, just press it, just press enter. Okay. If you want to repeat, just press it, enter, simply press enter, 1000. Okay. And you can change this line type scale from the property. You just select this one, right click, go to the property, increase this. See this one in the general line type, selected line type scale is here. If you want to make 50, just make it 50. See, it's changing now. Make it 100. Press it, select this, go to the property, make it 200. Okay. Type scale 400. Okay. The next command is color command. For example, this layer, the color is white. If you want to change in blue, press it COL, enter blue. Okay, then take line. See, it's coming blue. Okay. If you want to change in another color also, COL, press COL, enter. Example yellow. Take the line. See, it's yellow coming. You can change the color in the from the property also. Just go to the property. If you want to change the color of this line, just go to the property, change it to magenta. Okay. So guys, I am stopping here. If you learn something from this video, and you just subscribe my channel, press the bell icon just to get the notification of my another video. Like and share my video to your friends. Thank you.